Welcome to WisdomWalk. Prepare to journey through the corridors of time as we unravel the mysteries, triumphs, and tales of our shared past. History is not just a subject, it's a tapestry of human experiences that have shaped our world. Join us on a captivating exploration of bygone eras, from ancient civilizations to modern revolutions. Discover the untold stories of remarkable individuals and pivotal moments that have shaped our present. Each video is a time machine that transports you to different epochs, offering a window into the past like never before. Whether you're a history buff or just curious about the world's rich heritage, our channel has something for everyone. Hit that subscribe button and embark on a thrilling journey with us. Let's uncover the secrets, legends, and lessons of history together. Join our community of history enthusiasts and become a part of the ever-evolving narrative. Subscribe now and never miss a trip through time.